I'm Kay Estefania and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be sharing with you how to crochet this top. This video, we will be needing a yarn, a corresponding hook size, pair of scissors, weaving needle, and a measuring tape. First, you want to measure your body as shown. Start with the slip knot and make a chain with the same length with what you measured. After that, we will start our first row with additional 2 chains and start double crochet on the 4th chain across. For our second row, chain 3 and double crochet next stitch across. Measure your rib part. Remove at least 10 cm. Repeat row 2 until you get the same length with your total number. After that, chain 1 and make 2 single crochet each row in this part. After that, you may make an additional row of double crochets to get to the other side, or you may cut the yarn and start on the other side. After that, grab the other color of yarn and start single crochet anywhere. Make single crochets each side. But in each corner, make single crochet, chain 1 and another single crochet, same stitch, and single crochet next stitch across. For the next round, chain 3 and make double crochet across. In this corner, chain 4 and make double crochet next stitch. Four double crochet in the next 4 stitch. space for our lace, chain 1, skip 1, and make 5 double crochet in the next stitch. After the 5 stitches, chain 1, skip 1, and make another 5 double crochets. Repeat the process across. In this part, again, double crochet across. On this side, repeat the process to make space for our lace. After the second round, make another round of single crochets. For our lace, I just double pulled my yarn and made 200 chains. If you want to add the strap and the ribbon, just determine where you will attach the strap. To attach the strap, insert your hook, make a slip knot, yarn over, chain 1, and single crochet next stitch, and then chain at least 300. For the ribbon, make a separate lace, at least 50 chains. Determine the center of the top and do this. You may also attach tassels in this ribbon.